understanding the sign convention on concave mirror, convex mirror, concave lens, concave lens. Okay, so we know that is all are, we'll first talk about the concave mirror, but is the all applicable for concave lens. Okay, this is the concave mirror. Like in convex mirror, we know this all are same. This is a concave, and when we talk about a convex, this is the convex. Okay, now we know this is the pole, this is x-axis, this is the mirror part, this is the center of curvature. Okay, and this is the radius of center of trace. Okay, now like we talk about, we know understanding this is our coordinate system. This is an origin, this is o. So pole act like a o, that is origin. Okay, so anything, whenever we measure any distance from in a principal axis, like in x-axis, this is an upper side and a y-axis. So this axis is act like an x-axis, and upside is the y-axis, and the pole is act like a origin, 0 0. Okay, so we for example say 4, so we distance measure from the origin. So similarly, any distance with the object, like in anything else image, so the distance measured by the origin. Okay, this is the pole. Okay, and any distance is measured by the pole. This is any distance, I say distance measured by the pole, or pole act like origin. Okay, second thing, the right direction of the origin is positive and left side become negative. Similarly, from upside positive and downside become negative. So here is also the part where we talk about this is the second thing, the right side. Okay, first of all we talk about anything else. So before let's talk about where the object is put. Okay, so the object is always put on the left hand side. Why? Because we talk about, for example, we go into the 100. Okay, so we start from the basic, like in 0, like in 1. So similarly the pole start from the negative, because left hand side. Okay, so like an object is always put, sorry for background noise, put on left side. Okay, sorry about my doggy. And second thing, since this is the object, so incident right are come from the left. So this is the thing that I told you, that is, this is the thing which is the right side, and this is the left side. Okay, so anything which are in the side of incident ray, this is incident ray. Okay, so like an incident ray, like in x direction is the right side of it. So anything which would in the direction of the incident ray is taken as positive, and against the incident ray, I say IR, is taken as negative. Okay, like in say the x direction is right side direction become positive, and left side direction against the ray become negative. Similarly, that is anything side of incident ray taken as positive and against as negative. Okay, and upside we talk about positive and downside negative. Similarly, the object is positive outside and negative downward in negative side. Okay, that is upside upward. Okay, upward taken as positive, downward as negative. This is the overall meaning. I hope you understand. If you understand, like and subscribe. We will meet in next video, and homework I also give in next video. Bye bye.